Here I have TECLAST P20HD, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button iComfort, and this is basically just a night mode. You can, if you hold a finger on it, you can change some of its settings. For example, you can change its intensity here. You can switch it here too. And you can add a schedule for this mode. You can set up your custom time, or you can just set it from sunset to sunrise. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.